Logarithmic differentiation can be used to simplify the task of differentiating products. So with logarithmic differentiation, when you're given a function y equals f of x, you can take the natural log of both sides of the equation. All right, so that's your first step, and then you're going to use the log rules to break up the right-hand side of the equation, and that'll be broken up into factors, and then you're going to differentiate each factor, and then finally you're going to solve, right, for the desired derivative. So let's take a look at an example where these steps are carried out. So in our example, we're going to use logarithmic differentiation to differentiate this function, okay? And so following along the steps that we just discussed, we are going to take the natural log of both sides. So I have ln of f of x equals ln of that right-hand side. Okay, and so then what we're going to do is we are going to continue on, and we're going to use the log rules to further break that up on the right-hand side. So I'm going to now turn that quotient on the right into a difference. So I have ln of x minus 2 cubed times x minus 3 to the 4th minus ln of x plus 4 to the 5th power, okay? And so continuing on now, I can take the product in here, right, and turn that into a sum. So I'll have the natural log of x minus 2 cubed plus the natural log of x minus 3 to the 4th minus ln of x plus 4 to the 5th power. So continuing on, I can bring my exponents down front. So I have 3 ln of x minus 2 plus 4 ln of x minus 3 minus 5 times ln of x plus 4. Okay, and now we're going to differentiate. Okay, so here along the left, we're going to take the derivative with respect to x of ln of f of x, and on the right hand side then we have f prime of x all over f of x. So then that will give us 3 all over x minus 2. We're just using the fact that the derivative of the natural log is 1 all over g of x, right, times g prime of x. Here g prime is just 1 because we have x minus 2 as our argument. Continuing on, we have 4 all over x minus 3 minus 5 all over x plus 4. Okay, and the only thing that remains now is to solve for f prime of x. We can do that by multiplying through by f of x. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this by f of x, this by f of x, right? And so our f of x on the left divides out, leaving us with f prime of x, which is what we're looking for, okay? So we have then f prime of x, come up here, f prime of x equals 3 all over x minus 2 plus 4 all over x minus 3 minus 5 all over x plus 4, and then times f of x, which can then further be simplified by just plugging in this f of x. So just plug that in right there and you're done.